Hey there, Jason. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the false count. This is going to be helpful for if you're trying to show that you have more cards than you actually have. So today we're using the Aviator Vintage Deck by Theory 11, themed around World War II aviation. So let's go ahead and pop these open here. Get the tuck case off to the side. These are another very nice set of cards that handle very well. Here's some face cards. Now, the false count in particular works well if you want to make it look like you have more cards than you have. So I'm going to take 4 cards. How many cards do I have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, I thought I had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or do I have 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can make it look like you have one more or one less, or you can be like, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. But it's a really simple sleight, and once you get the hang of it once, you won't be able to forget it. It's a very, very fundamental one. All you're doing is taking the top card off, as if you were going to be counting all of these cards. But what you're doing is taking off one and putting it back on the bottom. To cover that, you're coming over with your hand as if you're going to grab another card as you put that card on the bottom. Now I'm back to 1 card. I wish I had a way to show you upside down here. What I'm doing is as I take this card off, I'm using these cards to cover up this card and grab it as I pull another card off the top. So I'm grabbing, pulling, grabbing, pulling, grabbing, pulling, grabbing, pulling, and all that time I'm just having 1 card. But if you just do it one time and then count the rest of the cards normally, it's pretty much invisible. You can make 4 cards look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. It's a really good sleight. If you have some extra questions, because it's hard for me to explain it on this video, you can ask me in person. But the simple fundamental, the basics of it are you're taking 1 card off, and as you're grabbing another card, you're grabbing the card in this hand. Boom, grabbing that 10. So we'll use the 10. We'll know that I'm dropping everything. Right now I have the 10. We'll put it on top here. So I'm grabbing the 10, and as I'm coming to grab this next card, I'm just using my middle and ring to pinch it and grab it. I could do the same thing with this 7. Grab it, pinch it, grab it, and you can do that. You can practice. A good way to practice is just by doing that over and over again. Sometimes it's hard to do it over and over again. Just taking one off and putting it underneath like that. Just practice by doing that. The main hard part is really just doing it once and then taking all the rest off normally. But once you get it down, it's going to be useful for some card tricks that I'll show you in the future. So hope this helped you out, Jason.